Hey guys, Locally Lost. Today we're going to be making a Rhodonite cab. Just going to smooth it out, get it nice and pretty. Gotta love Rhodonite. The pink and black veins. It's really pretty stone. Got a 5 or 6 on the Mohs scale. Should cut pretty nice and easy. Gonna make this the back. Right here the front. This has some nice colors to it. I really like it. Hopefully this pink gets deeper when we cut into it. But there's only one way to find out. So let's go. Here we go. Got the Rhodonite dopped up with the 80 grit diamond disc on the Hitech 8-inch Slant Cabber. Rhodonite's looking great. We're just gonna curve out these edges here. I'm gonna leave this kind of going raw. Most of my edges are gonna be raw because I'm gonna electroform around the side. We're just gonna make a nice, beautiful polished face on the National Gem of Massachusetts here, Rhodonite. I just learned that. All right, let's get going. Okay, let's go ahead and round up these edges. Come up. See what we got so far. Yeah, it's rounding up pretty nice. Working a lot better coming from that angle. Yeah, look at that. Round it up nice. Good deal. Let's shoot on to the time lapse and get this baby done. All right, got the basic shape going on, and look at that pink. It really popped. It's nice and smooth. That's all I wanted. It has a little domage to it. That's all I wanted. Hang just like that. Looking good. Let's keep on going. Alright, got done with the 180. Just smoothed it out a little bit. Really like that shape. Looks like a little shell, you know? A little seashell. Hang it just like that. Really nice shape. Got the dome going. It's gonna be nice and polished here soon. Let's move on to the 300. 300 diamond grit done. Looking good. Gosh, it looks really pretty. I'm really digging this. Wow. All right, yeah, and the pink is getting deeper too. Nice. All right, on to the silicon carbide bath. Here we go. Look at that. Multiple shades of pink now. The silicon carbide 500 grit on the EV foam really did its job. Look at that. God, every time. Setup literally cost me $1 for this foam and $13 for a 2-pound jar of that grit. We are definitely getting our money's worth. This is awesome. Let's go. All right, on to the polishing pad. Start off with 325. 325 all done. This is looking good. Polishes up really nice. Look at that, it's already getting a little shine to it. All right, on to the 600. Done with the 600, and man, look at that polish. Jeez Louise. Pretty in pink. Someone is really gonna love this. You can even see like a little patterns right there. See it like the different shade of pink pattern. All right, on to the 1200. All cleaned up. And look at that shine. Came a long way, huh? Now it's time for some good old cerium oxide. With the rhodonite. Look at that. So beautiful. My fiance loves this one, of course. It even has like the clear little quartzy stuff right there. Nice little pattern, like swirls in the pink. This thing is like so polished, it's slick. You know, it's like slippery. Yeah, see a little quartzy right there looking stuff. Man, what a beautiful piece. It looks like a little seashell. Even the back, you know. So pretty. Alright guys, This was Locally Lost Lapidary. Make sure to subscribe. We are uploading content every single day. I'm gonna have a jewelry day here soon. I'm gonna have to get some jewelry together for the upcoming market. So there'll be some different content coming soon. Alright, you guys have a great day or night. Appreciate all the love, especially the people that are watching to the end. Make sure to comment and let's talk. Oh yeah, something I wanted to mention. If you guys have any rough specimens laying around, any rough rock, feel free to send it this way. I'll cap it out for you. For sure. I'll even send it back if you want it, you know, just want a cab done, I'll send it back. I just want some more material for the channel. I have a fellow artist doing that here in the future. She's gonna send me some slabs. She's gonna let me keep some, and I'm gonna send her some cabs back. But us artists gotta look out for each other. You guys have a good one. Thank you. I'm out.